Welcome to Mains 2018 Test Series video lecture. If you get a question like, what do you mean by red corridor? And explain why Sugma district is often called as headquarters of the red corridor activities, and discuss the steps taken by Government of India to control left wing extremism. You have to write your answer within 200 words. The question carries 15 marks. Whenever you see a mains question, just look at how many parts are there in the mains question. For example, in this question there are 3 parts. So 15 marks will be allotted for the 3 parts. So probably for the definition red corridor 3 marks can be allotted, and this for second part 5 marks can be allotted, and the remaining 7 marks can be allotted for the third part. Like that, assume how many parts are there, how many marks can be allotted, then the which part carries maximum mark, then you can explain the part much better. Then only you will get good marks in the mains examination. And also always remember, if any question is asked, there will be 2 types. One is the factual question, like what is inflation, what is red corridor, and what is biotechnology. For these kind of questions, most of the students will write same answer because factual points or definitions won't change. There's another type called as concept based one, or simply you can say analytical questions. These questions answers will differ from one candidate to another candidate. So in this video lecture we will provide model framework on how to write answers for this question. First, let's define what is red corridor. You should write your answer within 2 or 3 lines. So red corridor area in India is under the influence of left wing extremism or Maoist. It's a 1 point. Second point, red corridor area is spread across 10 states. The states names you can also mention. They are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. That's all. Definition is over. Part 1 is over. Now let's move to part 2 of the question. Why Sugma district is often called as headquarters of the red corridor activities? Your answer should be Sugma district is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. Sugma district is located at the tri-junction of 3 states. They are Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Extensive forest cover in this region provides cover to the Naxal activities is a 1 point, and another point is that Naxals involving in the activities, if police action takes place, means they can swiftly move to the neighboring states like Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Because of this dry junction, it makes it difficult for the police to crack down Naxal in this region. That is why the Sugma districts often called as headquarters of the Naxal activities, because of the dry junction where 3 states meet, especially Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. So now your part 2 answer is over. Now let's move to part 3. This part will carry maximum mark. So the steps taken by Government of India to control Naxalism. If you take a list, for the third part itself you can write 3 to 4 page answer. So in the last 50 to 60 years, Government of India has taken plenty of steps to control the Naxalism. So here only 200 word limit is there. So you should be able to write your answer within 70 to 80 words. So only list out only the important steps and names taken by Government of India. important steps like enhancing the security on the one side and increasing the development activities on the other side. So the tackling the Naxalism is two-pronged strategy. One is provide all the development to the Naxal affected areas, and second strategy to increase the security forces and their capacity so that they can fight the Naxalism. To increase the security, Government of India increased the strength of the Central Armed Police Force is one point, and second point, Government of India established National Security Guard hubs at Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Mumbai, and Government of India strengthened and reorganized the multi-agency center to enable it to function on the 24/7 basis. Another point is that Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 has been amended to strengthen the punitive measures. There is a special force established called as Cobra Force. Cobra stands for Commando Battalion for Resolute Action. So it's a specialized unit of CRPF which is proficient in the guerrilla tactics and jungle warfare. So these are the important steps taken by Government of India to increase the security coverage. And for the development activities, government allocates more funds to the Naxal affected areas where road construction, schools, hospital construction going on the other hand, so that tribal people will experience the fruits of development. So through the comprehensive strategy, Naxalism can be controlled. So it should be your answer. So third part is discussed, and now you understood how to write answer for this question. Remember, it is just a model answer. Your answer may contain good points as well. So don't restrict your answer only to this point. So enrich your answer. That's all about this video discussion. Thank you.